or die.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So dear friends, as you could see in my previous video, I have bought some old speaker boxes, and in one of them was the speaker damaged, pierced cone, but not pierced with a screwdriver. It had to be something bigger, and it was pierced through the front grill. My mistake to buy it, not a good deal. But never mind, I must say I love these old Tesla speakers. This piece, full range speaker Tesla ARE551, is signed RT. It means this is the alphabetical Tesla production code, and the RT means December 1959, and we have now 2025, so it's about 64 years old, if I count it correctly. If it will be 60, it will be 60. So if I don't count it correctly, I'm sorry. It is repairable because there is missing no piece of cone, so from the back side and also from the front side it can be repaired. But up to now, nothing, only dismounted. So let's try the sound of such a damaged speaker, of such a speaker with such a damaged cone. But because for my ears, also with this huge damage, is the sound incredible good. Let's play the track number 3. It's for my ears incredible good. I love it. So this speaker should be sure repaired, because if you mount it anywhere in the speaker box, for me, incredible nice sound. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. So have a nice day.